Hello everyone. So my Huda Beauty parcel is here. I ordered it online because there were sales and promotions were going on the direct website. And I also visited the Sephora Dubai branch to check if the sale is also available on outlet here in Dubai. So ta-da! So I will be showing you guys what I bought and on how much discount I got this. Okay. Hmm. So this is Desert Dusk, as you can see. Eyeshadow palette. And what's this? This is a fragrance-free water jelly hydrating primer. It's free actually. We didn't order it. It's just a sample, one-time use sample. Okay, it's here. It's here. This little bit. This one is sample. It is very nice. Okay, so I will be telling you the details of each and everything. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I'm really very excited to have a swatch of this. I'm just about to open the Desert Dust palette. You can see its texture, everything. It's really very nice. See it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. You can see this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I will show you the swatch here. So now I'm opening the second one. It's really very amazing. Oh my gosh, it's really very amazing. This color I loved the most. See, I just touch it and this much pigmentation is here. It is really beautiful. The third thing is this matte and metallic eyeshadow. Okay. And this pouch, I got it for free. And it's really very pretty. It's a makeup pouch. And I ordered the pack of these two palettes, and along with that this pouch is free. In the end of the video I will be telling you that on how many discounts I got these things. The products was initially 515 dirhams. These two palettes with this pouch, this comes free. These two palettes with this pouch was 515 dirhams initially, and on off I got it just for 234 dirhams. Also, I had to pay the shipping charges, which was 22 dirhams. And if my bill exceeds from 262 dirhams or something like that, the shipping charges were free. So what I thought, why to pay the shipping charges? So I just add this product. It's also very nice. I just added this product into my cart, and the bill was fulfilling the requirement for free shipping, and so I got all of these freely shipped at my home. So I just paid 28 dirhams for this. Initially, this was 94 So after adding this, my total bill was around 276 dirhams, and I got these so beautiful palettes. If you convert it into Pakistani rupees, it will be around, I guess, 12 or 13,000 rupees. So for Huda Beauty, I think it's not that much amount. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.